Lil, okay, go ahead. Show mommy everything you want. Okay, what else?
This and this.
Mm-hmm. Not everything?
And this and that.
Mm-hmm.
And that. I want this too.
Okay.
I want this.
Mm-hmm.
And then that. And I think I want Puppy Doctor.
Hmm.
And what's this one called?
That's puppy grooming set.
I want that one. But this one called. What's this one called?
That's just I think that's just a puppy.
Shampoo?
Mm-hmm.
I want that one too.
Mm-hmm.
And those are just puppies playing.
Oh my goodness.
What's this one called?
I don't know.
I think it's called
Like a salon set or
I
something.
think it's called Baby Go to the Beach.
Oh, that sounds like a fun one. Oh, look at all those dolls. You don't want any of those?
I want these ones.
Oh my goodness.
I'm looking.
Hmm.
I want this one. Baby.
Okay. Hey, let's go back to that page you looked at. Show me which ones you wanted on this page. Don't you remember you wanted some?
I wanted this one.
Uh-huh. But didn't you want a couple on that next page? You were very cute when you told me which ones you wanted and which ones you didn't want.
I want that one, that one, and that one, and that one, and that one, and I want all these puppies.
Oh. but you don't want the rest. You just want those ones, right?
Yeah, and that singing lady.
Mm-hmm.
This dog. And now it's time. Now it's time to do. I want this one. Want this one. I want this one.
Wow. Santa's going to be very busy this year.
And I want that one.
You also better have a little talk with Mimi and Akka about this stuff.
And I want this thing.